Hi my dear kids, welcome back to Friday's online classes. Today is 9th October 2020. My name is Nissy and I hope you all are doing well and are happy with where we have reached till now. We have completed chapter number 9, 11 and 12 as well, which is currently going on. We have completed the chapter. We have completed 3 or 4 exercises of the textbook. We have also written all the new words in the notebook and 2 new addition to the new words, that are breeze and storm. So I hope that you have all completed it. It is a short chapter, easy but difficult at the same time, because you have to remember the 3 properties, then you have to remember the 4 uses of air, why is it important, how does it help us. We have to understand the properties of wind, and what is wind, how does wind help, what is the difference between wind, storm and breeze. If you don't remember, please go through my Saturdays, Wednesday and Thursdays video. The last Saturday, the last Wednesday and yesterday's video, Thursday's video, and you will get try to understand it. If you don't, please let me know. After the completion of the textual exercise, I will again go through this and then we'll move on. Okay, so today what we are going to do is we are going to complete the left exercises of the textbook. Now what are they? That are the skill builders. See this one, skill builders, the application based questions. Okay, and then we are going to, if we like to, what we are going to do, we are going to do the project ideas. That is for your activity, that will be your activity for your scrapbook. It is a very easy one, so I thought to give you the same. And then we are going to read the rhymes, and then I want you to color this thing of the last page, and then we'll try to do one, maybe one first page of the worksheet. We'll try to do that, and if we get time, I'll try to do 1 or 2 short question answers, because they are very easy. If you just read them, you will know, you will able to understand it. See, writing the question answers or short question answers from the PDF is not what I want you to do. Why do I give you PDF is because sometimes when I'm holding the phone and then I'm speaking while writing, see, that makes it more fun and more understandable, because while I'm writing I am explaining you. So it is better if you do it from the video while watching it. If you write it down, you can do it from the PDF as well. कुछ पेरेंट्स होते हैं कि भाई सोच लेते कि जो PDF में जो दिया वही सीधा लिख लेना है, बस थोड़ा सा एक बार आइडिया आ जाए. It is very important if you go through the videos every day from the first minute till the last minute, because it is for your benefit that we are doing so much of hard work, and I am again repeating all the points and all the ideas day and day again. Why? So that you or your child does not feel any inferior to contact me, or if you don't feel any less shy, or you don't feel, I don't know what to say, if you don't feel that कि मैं मैम को कैसे बोलूँ ये कराने के लिए, it is okay. I can record for you as well, and I won't take names, so don't worry. So today we are going to start the skill builder. Now what is given there, let us see. Try to do this and then we'll move on with the other textbook exercises, so worksheet or notebook. So let's go. Now kids, as you know that we have completed this page 115 page, this full page, also the top exercise of the textbook. We are going to do this at last. If not, we'll do it 1 or 2 with the worksheet period. Now please everyone take out 116 page skill builder. Now what is it here? Number 1, why does the tire of your bicycle become flat when it runs over something sharp? Means जब कोई भी नुकीली चीज पे बाइक जाती है तो आपके बाइक फ्लैट क्यों हो जाता है? Why? Because any sharp things cuts the tire and air comes out of it. So you will have to write here answer number 1. What is it? Answer number 1, because Because air comes out of it. Because air comes out of it means टायर में से हवा निकल जाती है इसलिए फ्लैट हो जाता है. Number 2, color the things that change their shape when you blow air into them. Now this will be for your homework. What is the date today? Today is 9th, so 09/10/2020. Please write your date for today's date. इसमें क्या करना है ये बताने का कि किसके अंदर आप हवा डालोगे तो शेप चेंज होगा. दिस वन इज टायर, थर्मस, दिस इज अ ट्रम्पेट, दिस इज अ बॉल एंड दिस इज अ स्विमिंग ट्यूब. तो ये आपका होमवर्क है कि जिसके अंदर हवा डालने से चेंज हो सकता है शेप, उसको आप कलर करोगे. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इजी. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव दिस आंसर ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो मीन्स ऑन वेडनेसडे कि कौन सी चीज़ में आ सकता है. नंबर 3, what are the things you would miss doing if there was no wind? Discuss. What are the things that you will miss? What is the answer? I will miss flying kites, then playing with football. It is wind, right? So I will miss flying kite and also going or riding on a sailboat. So you have to write here answer number 3. I will miss FLYING flying kites, then and sailing on a sailboat. SAILING, sailing. Please excuse me for the handwriting. On a SAIL, sail, BOAT. I will miss flying kites and sailing on a sailboat. This is it. अगर हवा नहीं होगी तो ये हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I'm going to miss that. Now please come to page number 117. Application based question. Now what are they? There is a paragraph given here and 4 questions related to them. We are going to have to solve them. First, let us read it. On his birthday, Raj was blowing up balloons. There is a boy named Raj who was blowing up means filling up balloons on his birthday. He blew into each balloon and watched it grow round and big. Means जब वो हवा डाल रहा था तब देख रहा था कि balloons were growing round means गोल और बड़े हो रहे थे. His mother tied the mouth of each balloon so that air did not come out of it. जब बलून जब हवा भरते तो गांठ बांधते ना, तो उसकी मम्मी वो कर रहे थे. Then Raj blew up another balloon. Held it close to his face. अपने मुंह के पास नजदीक रखा. And let the mouth of the balloon open. उससे गांठ नहीं बांध दी, ऐसे ही खुला रखा. He felt wind on his face means हवा का झोंका उसने महसूस किया. When Raj kept blowing into a balloon again and again, जब वो हवा भरते गया, it grew bigger and bigger means बड़ा बड़ा होता ही गया, वो रुका ही नहीं. Until it burst with a loud pop. जब हम बहुत हवा भरते तो क्या होता है, बलून फूट जाता है. तो राज के साथ भी वही हुआ. नंबर 1, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन राज ब्लू एयर इनटू ईच बलून? जब क्या हुआ, उसने एक एक बलून में जब हवा भर रहा था. नंबर ए, द बलून बिकेम स्मॉलर मीन्स छोटा हुआ. नंबर बी, द बलून्स बिकेम बिगर मतलब बड़े हुए. नंबर सी, द बलून्स डिड नॉट चेंज शेप मीन्स कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो क्या हुआ था, नंबर B. Please tick the correct option number B. The balloons became bigger. Number 2. What happened when Raj held the balloon near his face and left the mouth of the balloon open? Now what happened? The balloons became smaller. No. The balloons became bigger. No, the balloons did not change shape. Now what happened? If you keep the balloon's mouth open, what would happen? The balloon would get smaller. Why the balloon will get smaller? Because air would keep coming out of it. Now if air would come out of it, the shape will change. So it became smaller. Number 3. What happened when Raj kept blowing into a balloon? What happened when he was blowing into the balloon? When he kept blowing, the balloon flew away. Means उड़ गया balloon. No. The balloon burst. Means balloon फूट गया. Yes, the correct answer is number B. And the 4th question. Now, what is the 4th question? What do you think came out of the balloon? Means आपको क्या लगता है balloon के उसमें से क्या निकला? Air or water? So, of course, the correct answer is air. So, please click on option number A, air. Now, what is this? This is project ideas. We are going to do this at the last of the chapter so that you can have an activity and a free time for it. Please roll the paper page and come here. Read the rhyme and color the picture. We are going to read this and then we are going to color it. First, we will read the rhyme. Air. Now, what is this? Air, air, blow gently. We like it when you are friendly. Plant and grass are swaying. As softly air keeps blowing. Air, air, moving fast. It's wind who has arrived at last. There are leaves all around, making a rustling sound. Let me read it again and then explain you the meaning of it. What is it saying? Air, air, blow gently means हवा तुम आराम से चलो. We like it when you are friendly means जब तुम धीरे धीरे आ रहे हो तब हमें अच्छा लगता है. Plants and grass are swaying means हवा चल रही होती है. तो see, can you see? हवा से क्या हो रहा है? Plants हिल रहे हैं. As softly air keeps blowing. अगर धीरे धीरे हवा चलता plants और वो आराम से हिल रहे होते हैं. Air, air moving fast. पर जब हवा बहुत जोर से चलती है It's wind who has arrived at last. मतलब अब क्या हवा का झोंका आ गया. There are leaves all around means पत्ते हर जगह दिख रहे. Making a rustling sound means पत्तों की सरसराहट. It is a very nice rhyme. Please try to hear this once again and try to read it at home. You can also make a video of it if you can learn this by heart. What you have to do here is you have to color it. How are you going to color it? See, this looks like a park or something. So you can color this as green. You can color this man as you like. Like you can color the shoes black. You can color the coat brown or black. He is wearing a muffler and a winter cap. He has gloves on his hand. There are bushes, small shrubs and herbs. There is a flower also and a stone. There is a tree. You can color the sky. So you can color it as you like. This is also a homework to be done today. Today's date is 09/10/2020. So this will be your today's homework. Now what else are we going to do today is, everyone please take out the worksheet of chapter number 12. Now this is a worksheet. Okay. So today we are going to try and do one page or the second page of our worksheet. So this is a short version. It will be easy for us to complete it. Let's go. The first exercise. What is it? Circle the correct answer. There are 4 sentences given here. We have to circle the correct answer. Number 1. Air is all around us. Plants only. So which is the correct option? Around us. So please circle the word around us. Number 2. Air occupies space or no space? So it does occupy space. Please circle the word space. Balloon filled with air is lighter or heavier? So as we already know, air has weight. So if a balloon has air inside it, it makes it heavier. Heavier means वजनदार. Number 4. We can feel or cannot feel air. Yes, we can feel air. We cannot see, taste or smell, but we can feel. Now B option. Fill in the blanks with the help of clues. What are the clues? Number 1. There are 4 clues given here. We have to write from these 4. Number 1. We cannot dash air. Breathe, wind, sea or boat. So the correct answer is this. We cannot see air. So write here SEE means देख नहीं सकते. Number 2. The moving air is called breathe, wind or boat. तो हल चलती हुई हवा को क्या बोलते हैं? Wind. So WIND, wind. Number 3. A dash sails with the help of air means किसकी वजह से चलती है? Breathe और boat. क्या होती है जो हिलती है? The correct answer is boat. A boat sails with the help of air. And the last one. All living things need air to breathe. सांस लेने के लिए. So BREATHE. Breathe. Was very easy, right? Number C. Observe the given experiments and write the correct description with the help of clue bank. Now see, 2 clue banks are given here. Air has weight and air occupies space means air के पास हवा के पास वजन है और हवा क्या करती है? जगह ले लेती है. So the first image, what can you see? There is a balloon. A balloon. This boy is blowing air inside it, and then it grew means it became round and big. So what does that mean? First it had no air inside it. Now it has, and the shape became into a different shape. Number 2. What is it? He has 2 footballs in his hand. One is a flat ball, football, and the other one is a complete normal working football. So what can you understand from this? That this is a flat one, so it has less air, and this has more air. So which football is going to have more weight? इसमें ज़्यादा वजन होगा, इसमें this one, because it has more weight. So what you gonna have to do is you will have to write here in this. क्या आएगा? Air occupy space means पहले तो हवा नहीं था, फिर जैसे उसने हवा भरा तो बढ़ गया. So you are going to have to write here air OCCUPIES occupies SPACE means ये इसके साथ आएगा. And for this one you're gonna have to write this. What will you write? Air has weight. AIR air. HAS has. WEIGHT. Air has weight. Now was this interesting? It was very good. Please turn over and come to this. This will be the last thing we are going to do in the worksheet. Then we'll try to write first question answer. What is it here? Let's discuss. Observe the given pictures and take the picture which shows moving air. Also discuss about the both pictures in the class. अब इधर 2 image दिया है. In the first image you can see wind is blowing, air is blowing, right? So you can see leaves falling or flowing away, swaying. In this, the tree is standing straight and there is no wind. So in which picture can you see air moving? Of course in this. So please put a tick mark in the box. इसमें हवा चल रही है इसलिए हिल रही, इसमें नहीं चल रही. So this is it for the worksheet. Everyone please take out your notebook. We're going to write the first question answer. Why? Because see, everything is very short. बहुत easy है. That's why I'm taking these many things. I'll start from a new page. Everyone please write down today's date 09/10/20 classwork, and what will be the heading? Short answer question. short answer questions. Now what is question number 1? Question number 1, when can we feel air around us? Means हम air को कब महसूस कर सकते हैं? First let me explain to you all the question answers, okay? Then we will write it down. Number 2, give 2 properties of air. We already know 3 properties, we have to write any 2. Third question, what is weight? वजन क्या है? Number 4, how does an earthworm breathe in air? Means earthworm कहाँ से सांस लेता है? Number 5, how do we use air to play the trumpet? हम कैसे उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं ट्रम्पेट बजाने के लिए हवा को? These are the short question answers. I know you already know the answers for all of these, right? These are very easy. And the long answer questions. There are 4 questions. So number 1, what happens when we blow air into a balloon? जब हम बलून के अंदर हवा डालते हैं तो क्या होता है? Number 2, write 3 properties of air. We already know the 3 properties. We will write all those 3. Number 3, write 3 uses of air. We know 4 uses. We have to write any 3 over here. The last one is, what is wind? How is it useful? Means चलती हवा को क्या बोलते हैं और हमें कैसे काम आते हैं? Today we are just going to write question number 1. So please look over here. Question number 1. When can we feel air around us? When can we feel? When can we feel air around us? Question mark. Right here answer number 1. When can you feel air around us? So what is the correct answer for it? When the air moves, we can feel the air. So in which way we will have to write? We can feel air around us when it moves. So we will write we can feel air around us when it moves. Means जब हवा चल रही तब you can feel it. So this is it for today. My dear kids, we have completed the textual exercises finally today, right? We have completed the chapter. Again we'll revise it every time before doing anything new. We are going to revise it. We have completed the textual exercises, the first page of the worksheet and the first question answer. They are very easy. मैं ऐसे आपको समझाती हूँ तो आपको सीधा आंसर आ जाता है, right? So try to do it in your own. अगर आपको खुद को भी आता है, you can also do it. Just recheck the answer when I send you. अगर मैं कुछ सेंड कर रही हूँ तो बस आंसर देख लेना. बाकी if you know, you can write it on your own as well. This is it for today. I'll meet you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.